Quit, bitch. What are you doing? Good morning, social media. Me and Cash Dog finna go on a morning stroll. Get a hey. Settle down. Get out from under there. Come on. What are you doing? Get out of there. Come on. Hey, come on. Shut up. Oh, is that Doug? Oh, shit. Come on. I gotta walk down on the other end.
What you talking about, the Washington?
Yeah.
Damn.
I thought you were under, I didn't know you didn't understand that, but I'm gonna walk down there right now.
How long does it take you to get there?
15, 18 minutes.
Okay.
All right. My bad. Come on. Getting our day started, man. Y'all watch that BMF series? I didn't watch it last night, but I do watch it. Come on. I do watch it. Now that it's what's crazy about it to me is it's still very interesting, even though the acting sucks. The acting sucks. He shouldn't have won. He shouldn't have went and got Meech's son. I don't care about he had a year or 2 years of acting lessons. He's terrible. He's terrible. Pretty much the whole cast is terrible. The dad is good. The mom can act. The Lamar dude, he decent. Rest of them, everybody else is whack. Come on. The pig, he good. Come on. But what I be tripping off is the way other states hustle. Like, I've seen it in several movies. Like, we never hustled like that. Like, in Minneapolis, you ain't never worked for nobody. You know what I mean? Like, growing up, I done had cats front me, but that's what we called it. We called it getting fronted. Somebody front you some work, you go do what you do, you come back, you pay them. But ain't no, I work for you, wine out on the block type shit. Nah, hell, fuck no. I'm working for me. I just owe you some money. You know what I mean? That's how we did it. I just owe you some money, man. You front me some work, I owe you some money. But I don't work for you. I don't work for you. You're not giving me no wage type shit. No, fuck no. You know what I mean? You front me a pack, I'll pay you what it's worth. That's just that. Yeah, that's different. I that would have never flew around here. Y'all hustle way different than we do. But I've seen that, and I've seen that like just right in Chicago. Chicago's just right down the street from us. But that's just a whole different way of hustling, man. No matter how much I sell, I get a wage, I get a certain price, you know what I mean, a set amount. Fuck no, hell no. So if I run through 3 packs, I still only get today's pay? No, that would have never worked for me back in my day. I'm a square now. I ain't doing none of that shit, but I'm just saying, back in my day, hell no, I would have never ever went for that. That sounds crazy to me. KD, come on. I'm really fond of this and she bred the way I would have bred her. You know what I'm saying? Like, I couldn't have done it better myself. I would have bred her in this exact fashion if I had access to these animals. I would have definitely had access to the dam, to the mom. I bred the mom, but it's starting to get a little cold, man. Come on. Winter is coming, like they say on Game of Thrones. Winter is coming. It's getting chilly. Come on. Cast off. KD. Good girl. You that dog barking at you, girl. Hey, we not scared of no dog. We not scared of no dog. Cast off. KD. You hear that dog barking at you, girl? She could probably tell that big motherfucker bluffing. That's why she's not intimidated. Come on. All that barking don't mean nothing, man. I seen a video on Facebook one day, explained it to the fullest. There was some dogs that was barking. They were doing, there was one dog on one side of the fence. There was like 2 or 3 dogs on the other side of the fence. They barking, they going crazy. But the fence came open. Why all the dogs walk away from the fence when it came open? But when it closed, they all ran back up on the fence. This shit was hilarious. Hey, I've seen it. I've seen it in the streets, man. I've seen it with people. Motherfucker be doing a whole lot of talk until licks get thrown. Then it's, oh man, I ain't on there, oh my bad, and this, that, and the other. And you got your hands up out in front of you, and you're pleading your case. But just 2 minutes ago, you was talking how tough you are, how you'll whoop somebody, and this, that, and the other. Somebody hit you in the mouth, and you realize you ain't as tough as you thought you were. You actually never thought you was tough. You just wanted everybody else to think you was tough. Come on, girl. Little kids cracking me up. I don't know what they arguing about, but she told them that's what you get. That's why your shoe fell off. Ooh-wee. I like that little Cadillac. That motherfucker is nice. Yeah, me and KD getting our morning started, getting our day started.